Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you if you have a robot vacuum cleaner and it doesn't want to wash the mops and it says that the clean water tank is not installed. I'm gonna show you how you can fix that. So this one is a Xiaomi X10 Plus, but I think it's the same with this one. This is Mova Z50 Ultra, but in this video I'm going to show you how to fix that. I'm not going to open the app and then start turning it on. I'm just going to show you a quick guide on how to fix it. So when you take this is the dirty tank and this is the clean water tank. So if you take this, there's water inside. I'm going to show you the Mova. I have not tried with the Mova one, but I have done this with the Xiaomi X10 Plus because I had the problem that it keeps saying that it couldn't wash it because this was not installed. Yes, so this is the water, the clean water tank. This one has a sensor inside, and the sensor is pretty easy to find because it's a magnet sensor. As you can see, this one, it already has a water. It has the same sensor right there. I'm gonna see if I can zoom in. Let me see if I can put torch inside. Yes, can you see this? This is a magnet which is sealed. So it will float when there's water inside, and it will fall down to the bottom if there's not enough water inside. The same sensor is, I think, is most vacuum cleaners. I had the same issue with this Xiaomi because the sensor inside, I took it off right now because I'm going to show you guys. The sensor here, it's the same as the other one. It's the round sensor. This is the magnet sensor. I'm going to show you here, and it's going to be a bit difficult doing it with one hand, but I'm going to try my best. This one floats, so I'm going to put it here. This is the clean water tank. So it will float like this when there's water, and the water will decrease. This will fall to the bottom. When it falls to the bottom, the sensor will activate that says there's not enough water inside of this tank. I had this issue that it will keep saying that there was not enough water inside, even though it was full. So I opened it, this, and asked ChatGPT, Gemini, everything. They couldn't help me with that. So I'm going to show you how to fix it. As I mentioned a couple times, this is a sensor, magnet sensor. This has a seal around it. There you can see. This one had a seal around it. The seal would make sure the water does not get inside of this. So if it's empty with no water inside, it will float in the water. But the problem was the seal was broken because it's almost 2 years old. The seal was broken and there was water inside. So whenever there was water, it will stay here, and if it was empty, it will keep staying right here. So the sensor will automatically say this it's not installed, or there is not enough clean water in this tank. The easiest way to fix this is taking hot glue and glue it all the way around and seal it once again. So it's pretty easy. Let me show you here. So you're gonna put hot glue all the way around this or the other one, and just close it and hold it so the hot glue will harden when it gets cold. Okay, so I'm gonna do it because I cannot do it with one hand. I have to make sure it's pretty sealed, and I'll be back in a second. So as you can see here, I glued it. Oh, it's hot glue, so it's not now it's gluing everywhere. Let me see if I can prove my cut. Now it's sealed all the way, so I just have to wait till this get dry and remove all this excess glue, and just put it back here, and then I will turn on the machine and see if it will continue, and I'm pretty sure it will continue. So I just took a small knife and I cut all around this, so there's no glue outside. There is of course glue inside. So let's test my theory. it should float. There you go. And it's actually pretty easy to put it back here. Let me see if I can do it with one hand. There we go. I'm just gonna put it back. Boop. There you go. Can you see this? And it will, yeah, can you see this? It's loose and it's how it's supposed to be. So I'm gonna close this and put it back. And trust me, you will save actually a brand new robot cleaner. And the same with the mower. Let me show you what I mean. As I told you, there is a sensor right there, and you can see it's the same. Sorry, this is the magnet sensor. It's the same on the Mova Z50 Ultra. So I hope this video helped you guys. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this.